everything you'll ever need to know about dips. Primary muscles are chest, triceps, and front deltoids. And secondary muscles are core, upper back, and forearms. Start by choosing the right dip bar setup. Most machines offer two grip widths, narrow and wide. Pick the narrow grip roughly shoulder width apart or the length of your forearm with an extended hand. Going wider shortens your range of motion, similar to a wide bench press, and can shift tension away from your triceps and chest. Place your hands with thumbs on top of the bar before wrapping your thumb over the bar. This grip ensures that your arms stay centered over the bar and your wrists stay aligned with your forearms. If your wrists collapse, you'll lose pressing strength and may irritate your elbows. Next, pull your shoulder blades back and down. Rotate your elbows inward so they point backward, not out to the sides. Instead of arching your back with a puffed out chest, brace your core and keep the ribs down for more controlled power. Slightly tilt your torso forward. Think of your head going forward and hips slightly back. Avoid staying completely upright, which can increase shoulder strain. For a chest-focused dip, lean into that forward position throughout the rep. For a tricep-focused dip, lessen the lean and keep your head up and hips underneath you. Lower yourself down and forward, not just straight down, making sure your forearms are vertical the whole time. Descend until your upper arm is at least parallel to the floor. Elbow at a 90-degree angle. If your mobility allows, go slightly deeper, but don't collapse your chest or round your shoulders. This can cause injury. Then drive up to the starting position. Avoid locking your elbows at the top of the rep. Keep tension in the triceps and chest, squeezing at the top. Aim for 6 to 12 controlled reps with moderate to heavy resistance. This can be done bodyweight or with added weight if you're more advanced. And that's the perfect dip. Still feeling shoulder pain? Let's go over some tweaks you can try out. Number 1. Lower body positioning for shoulder safety. If dips always hurt your shoulders, raise your legs slightly and pull your hips back. This aligns your chest with the resistance better. Number 2. Change your intention. If you don't feel it in your chest, try thinking about pulling the bars together rather than just pushing down. At the top, imagine squeezing your biceps toward each other. Number 3. Bench support for lean. For a deeper chest emphasis, try placing your feet on a bench behind you. It helps lock in the forward lean and control. Number 4. Negative reps for beginners. Can't do one dip? Start with just the lowering portion. Slowly lower yourself down and then use assistance to get back up. Now, I would say the most common mistakes are firstly leading with your shoulders. This creates a worm-like motion that breaks proper alignment. Instead, initiate from the elbows and chest with a controlled torso lean. Mistake number 2. Shrug dips. Letting your shoulders right up towards your ears removes tension from your target muscles and can lead to impingement. Instead, keep your shoulders pulled down by engaging your lats throughout the rep. Mistake number 3. Moving too fast. Flying through reps can make you drop past your shoulder's safe range of motion. Instead, control the descent. Take around 2 to 3 seconds to lower down. Mistake number 4. Doing them all at the same time. Which of these mistakes have you caught yourself doing? Drop a comment below and let me know. Check out these videos if you want to learn more. Until next time, verið sæl.